Senegalese Twist Instant Ponytail Wrap.
Oh my God, have you seen this? Have you seen this new ponytail wrap? It is amazing. So yes, I am going to show you just how to install this. First, I'm going to start off by braiding her hair into some big braids into a ponytail bun at the top. Yes, you don't have to do too many braids. Just braid it up nice and neat into a ponytail. And of course, yes, I'm going to be using what? Our G&G hair growth oil. Yes, our hair growth oil is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. So yes, I am moisturizing and hydrating her hair and scalp with our G&G hair growth oil. Get your order in today. Tap the link so that you can place your order. Yes, so I put her hair into a ponytail, and yes, here it is, the quick wrap. This is the quick wrap ponytail. So yes, this comes in braids as well as in the twist. So yes, today she is getting the Senegalese twist. Look at that. This is amazing. There are Senegalese twists on a headband. Yes, look at the headband. The straps are extra long so that you can tie it into many different styles. It comes in black, and again, as I said earlier, it comes in braids as well. Yes, you can get this in box braids as well. This is an instant ponytail wrap. Yes, it doesn't take but 5 minutes to put on once your hair underneath is braided. So yes, I braided her hair, and now I'm putting on a stocking cap. Yes, this cap is just to make sure that her hair underneath stays in place. So yes, you want to put that stocking cap on. It does have combs here, as you can see. There's one on the side, on each side, and there is one in the middle as well. It's a total of 4 combs that go all the way around the perimeter of your head. And you can keep those combs in, or you can actually cut those combs out if they are uncomfortable. We are going to cut those combs out because she does have this stocking cap on, and that is going to secure her hair underneath. So I don't need these combs, and I don't want it to irritate her hair. So yes, I am cutting the combs out. Again, you can leave them in or you can cut them out. Some people like the combs for extra security, so it just depends on you. I don't want it, so we are taking them out. And after that, this style is going to be instant. Amazing. So as you can see, I am now installing this beautiful pre-twist headband ponytail. Yes, this is an instant ponytail, and as you can see, I am putting it on her hair, tying the headband in the back. This fat style can be worn in many different styles. It's very versatile. You can wear the ponytail just hanging to the back. You can have it hanging to either side. You can wrap the ponytail up. It doesn't matter. And it looks nice and full. The headband is what makes it secure. There are combs in there. But again, you can either leave the combs in or you can cut those combs out if you think that they are going to be uncomfortable for your head. So I'm just adjusting it and making sure that when I get ready to tie it, that it's going to be comfortable for my client's head. I don't want it to be too hot, but at the same time, I don't want it to be too too tight. So again, continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful pre-twist instant ponytail comes out. If you haven't tried it, please try it. Tap the link in the description below to get your order in. Yes, this is sold on my website. It is sold in many different colors. I have the gray one as the one that you see here. I have all black, which is the 1B. It also comes in a 1B30. Yes, there are different colors. So again, get your order in today. Tap the link in the description below. Thanks. Keep watching and see how this beautiful style is accomplished. OMG, have you seen the new bang headband? Yes, this is a bang on a headband. It is absolutely beautiful, very easy, comfortable, and convenient to put on. Look how it looks. It could be China bangs. Instant. No installation required. Just put the band on and there you go. You have instant bangs. Super great for alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, or damaged hair. Yes, put those bangs on and you are ready to go.
Girl Chuchi, and I'm here to show you this baby hair scarf. So really it's from Janet Collection Melt, and it's a bang lace scarf. They call it bang lace. The inside the packaging, it just shows you like how to use it or whatever. So basically it tells you to know, put your hair in like whatever style you're going to put it in so it can be underneath the scarf. So that's what I'm doing. This is like a super old sew-in. I just went ahead and put it in a ponytail, and I took it out the packaging, and I'm just basically trying to see what's up with it, place it on my head, you know, whatever. So basically it's really long, and if I was really to go like super in on this and like customize it to me, I would have cut the ear tabs, but just for the sake of the video, I just went ahead and just cut the lace off regularly. I didn't like super customize the lace or anything. I just went ahead and just cut the lace off, and I put it back on my head. As you can see, like it kind of passes my ear a little bit, but I was like, you know, we gonna make it do what it do. So at this point, I'm just, you see where I'm holding it, like right there at the tips. I would have cut that, but I was like, you know what, let's just finesse it and put it on top of my ears, because that's what you would do with a scarf anyway. Yeah, like if I was really about to tie my hair down. So after I did that, I'm like, okay, we got it on. It's cool, and it is looking like a bang. I was thinking of doing a bang at first because it says bang, then I was like, sweetie, this is too thin for a bang. So we just went ahead and did the baby hairs. So for me, I like dramatic baby hairs, and I feel like the best way to get the baby hairs, dramatic baby hairs with the super curly ends, is if you cut it a little bit like I'm showing you here, and then you take a pencil flat iron. I didn't have my pencil flat iron with me, so I just used this 1/2 inch flat iron, and I just went ahead and just curled it up. Now I feel like I would have had my pencil flat iron, sweetie, yeah, it would have really gave the girls curl. But we know we had to do what we had to do, so I just went ahead and curl everything up, and I didn't spray anything on my lace or anything. The only thing that you will see me use in a little bit is some edge control. So yeah, just take your time and curl up everything. Curl it up, curl it up, curl it up with the baby hair like brush method. So I went ahead and used edge booster, and as you can see, I'm just working it in, and then me already curling it, it just gave that swoop, you know. It just lets it go in the motion that you want it to go in. One time for my braider, Laisha, she taught me how to do my edges. She's the baby hair queen. So yeah, she basically taught me how to do it when I got my hair done a few weeks ago, and ever since then I've been baby hairing it up. Too much product. Just basically put it just a little bit at the root, like how you saw I just did and then just curl it. And you just want to use it enough so that basically it'll lay down, you know, to your head or whatever. Here, I'm pretty much done. I really like the end result of this. I feel like it's a cute you know, like to go style, or like if your hair messed up, you need to go to the store, like, you know, you in between hairstyles, or shoot, you just don't feel like doing your damn hair, you know, you just throw you on your baby hair scarf. And if
order now on our website, yes, tap the link below in the description and get your order in today. All colors are available.
Braids, Weaves, and Wigs. I'm a professional hairstylist servicing Manteca, Stockton, Lodi, Modesto, Sacramento, and all the Bay Area and surrounding areas.
Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in.
Introducing our new all-natural body butter, allowing your skin to feel rich as royalty